Na-interview ako about it.
Yeah,
In what way nagpaparado ang papa mo?
There was this one time, MTV. Oh, yeah, sa MTV, parang kinuha ko para mag-audition before. Tapos, when it was my turn na, tsaka sumabog yung Klieg lights sa taas. So, pinalitan nila. Tapos, yung turn ko ulit, sumabog ulit siya. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi niya.
Feeling namin, baka he didn't want her
Baka
to.
alam niyang, wala.
Explosive kahit saan siya nandun.
And that was the only time that happened daw.
At saka, pero it's always sa lights. Like, kung wari, pag may isang time na kami ni Mama magkasama kami sa condo namin, tapos yung light na naka-off, nag-flicker. So,
Yeah,
medyo weird. Pero
because they
okay
go
lang.
through electricity, I guess.
Sabi ng mga psychics, ganun daw talaga. Through the
Yeah.
light. Kasi energy, no?
Ricky, merong explosive pictures.
Hindi.
Oo nga, yeah.
Ito sa Bulaga kanina, pinakita na sa amin ni Pia. Kasi, kailan kayo nagpunta doon sa,
Ayan, no?
Yeah,
sa
we went-
puntod ni Francis?
We went last night,
Last night.
at around 9:30 after recording for Bulaga.
Okay.
So, yeah, it was just
May
me
mga
and-
kinunan silang pictures. Yan yung nakikita nyo ngayon. Paki-explican mo nga yung
Paki-ano,
may mga
Pia.
images kang nakikita,
Pakituro.
Pia, sa
Yeah, because those pictures were taken by one of the girls na kasama naman ng partners ko sa FMCC, our shirt company. So, hindi ko talaga sila ka-close.
over-
Ayan.
The image, no? Pia?
Over the upper corner of the left.
Okay.
If
Left
you can
side,
see, yeah, their
yung-
left
yung may
side,
ilaw, no?
upper corner, yeah.
Mas malinaw.
There.
Okay. Yun. Oh, may ilaw.
There's a dark figure, a dark shirt with, we could say shorts and even legs.
I can see that.
Yeah, and then
Ah,
there's his head. The face is there. But if it's like a smaller,
Mas malinaw eh. Kanina kasi nakita namin sa Bulaga, sa laptop,
yeah,
ang linaw eh.
it's really clear because he has full,
Nakaganon, nakayuko
full
eh.
head of hair, yeah.
Nakaganon.
Pero like if I flip it nga, when I was looking at the camera, it's like pag nakahiga rin siya na, like if he was like asleep on a cinder
Naka-shorts
block.
pa nga eh. Naka-shorts.
Ano itsura niya, Pia? Malungkot, masaya, o
Well,
calm?
he
Or...
looks asleep actually
Asleep.
when I saw it. But my thing is like I'm not afraid or anything. It's just like when me and Francis we would talk and say, huh? I would tell him before, hey, if you go, yeah, you make pakita pa rin to me, ha? Kasi I want you to still be around, diba? Then he goes, aren't you gonna be scared? Because his sister said, no, me, don't make pakita. Then like, I said, no, me, you make pakita. They said, aren't you gonna get scared? I said, yeah, you're so cute naman, diba? Why will I get scared? You're guapo. If you're pangit, don't na make pakita to me, diba? But you're so guapo, diba?
Pero he's guwapo pa rin.
I know, right? So when I
diba?
see him like that, it's like, I'm glad because I get to see him still.
You asked for it pala eh.
I got it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero palagay ko nag-i-enjoy na ngayon yun doon eh. Dahil ang dami niya nakasama.
Yeah.
Mga big time eh.
Papaano na?
Sabi niya, sabay niya.
I'm sure nakipag-duet yun kay Michael
Nagko-concert sila dun.
Jackson.
I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
Pero ito, Lorit, dapat sa'yo yan kasi tungkol sa mga ano yan eh.
Pera?
Oo.
Wow!
Sa mga
Hindi.
investment.
Hindi naman sa nakikialam si Lolit, no? Kaya lang kasi
Okay
lahat
lang.
naman gusto niyang
Lahat ng
pakialaman.
investment ni Francis, paano mo daw yun naaayos?
Hinahandle.
Ginagastos ko lahat.
Oh, wow. Tama naman kami dyan.
I know, right? Just hang with me and we'll go places. No, it's like, we really like before pa, ever since. Si Francis like super talagang serious about, he worries a lot. I guess that's why he gets sick and easily because he worries too much. I always tell him, like, but he's like, it's so weird kasi he's like extremes. He worries a lot about our life with our children, how we're gonna bring them up since there's so many of them. But like when I wanna buy something, he's just gonna say, go buy it, it's just money, diba? So like when I think of that, it's like a go signal for me. And for me, like it follows na parang you have to decide which is really your needs compared to your wants. So as long as we need it, I just go and then I just feel that it's for us naman ginawa ni Franz. So yung investment niya, which is the biggest things would be the shirt company, of course. He really put that up in 2004 so that he would be able to retire. He always says every year he wants to retire actually, but his passion for the music is there. So he put that up so that he wouldn't have to really work anymore in front of the camera, but napamahal na sa kanya yung shirts na it worked together with his music pa rin. So I'm glad na ginawa niya yun kasi kung ako lang, hindi ko naman maiisip yun, di ba? So, he's very, ganon, ano siya sa family na kailangan all set kami I don't know why, but I'm just really glad na he did all of that. And then I continue it nga by just the way I am. I'm not mahilig to anything. I have no bisyo, I have no luho or anything. So I'm just really careful about
you're
it.
a single parent now. Hindi ka ba nahihirapan raising so many
You're gonna
kids?
say something.
No.
You're leading towards something.
Mamaya pa yun. Ngayon, ito muna, hindi.
Yeah.
Yung being a single parent. I mean, with a lot of kids.
Yeah, I know. But it's just that I raised them that way ever since, together, both of us, we raised them in such a way that since they were still young, ganun na talaga sila. So madali silang kausapin talaga. Like, I just tell them straight what the consequences will be, and then it's really up to them to choose. So they decide for themselves, really. And Max hasn't said a word.
Si Mama super mom yan eh. Talagang lahat nagagawa niya. And she does it in a way na hindi kailangan, alam niyo yung hapit. Talagang she does it in her own way. Yung patient siya and meron siyang sariling way na groove or she just goes with the flow and ganun siya. Pero nagagawa niya ng maayos lahat. Kaya,
So, Pia, how are you commemorating Francis? Not only the death day, but the whole death year, first death year ni Francis.
Well, tonight, of course, we have our Mass at Eastwood Chapel. And then after that, Club Dread, where we're gonna have our close friends perform. Anybody wants to jam and all of that. So it's like a party, really. Because Francis is really like a party person compared to me. So I'm like giving this actually for him. So I hope he's gonna be there. Yeah, he's invited. Yeah, but to commemorate also, like as I told you last time I was here, I do have a radio show on Sundays, 8 to 11 a.m. on 92.3, U92 Cool to Be You. So I'm gonna dedicate the entire 3 hours to Francis' music tomorrow because a lot of his music wasn't played talaga because they thought na, well, the radio stations and our labels would tell us that